Betrayal doesn't destroy your power. Your reaction decides whether it survives. They expect your anger. They never expect your silence. The deepest revenge is becoming untouchable, not becoming louder. Betrayal reveals truth that comfort always hides. Silence protects your peace before it protects your reputation. Power grows when your emotions stop seeking their approval. Every calm choice weakens their control over your heart. Silence becomes a mirror, reflecting their own actions back. Truth always arrives after emotions finally leave. Here are 7 powerful ways to deal with betrayal, even when your heart still hurts. Point 1. Accept the truth without chasing explanations. Not every betrayal deserves another conversation. Many people betray because honesty demands courage. Your acceptance removes the audience they secretly wanted. Truth closes doors that excuses keep opening. Point 2. Protect your silence instead of proving yourself. You owe nobody endless explanations. People committed to misunderstanding rarely seek the truth. Your silence forces them to face their own thoughts. Silence is stronger than endless arguments. Point 3. Stop giving them emotional access. Distance heals what constant contact keeps breaking. Every reply feeds the connection they already damaged. Your absence becomes a lesson louder than words. Peace grows where attention disappears. Point 4. Let your growth answer every disappointment. Success speaks with quiet confidence. Healing redirects your energy toward your own future. They lose influence when your life keeps improving. A growing tree never argues with falling leaves. Point 5. Forgive without reopening the door. Forgiveness frees your heart, not their behavior. Peace never requires forgetting healthy boundaries. Your freedom begins where resentment finally ends. Strength protects without carrying hatred. Point 6. Watch patterns instead of promises. Actions always outlive beautiful words. Repeated betrayal follows repeated opportunities. Your awareness prevents tomorrow's unnecessary pain. Truth leaves footprints that promises cannot erase. Point 7. Choose peace over perfect justice. Not every wrong receives immediate consequences. Life has ways of revealing hidden character. Your peace becomes the victory they never expected. Quiet power always outlasts temporary satisfaction. Betrayal tested your heart, not your worth. They expected pain to define your future. Instead, you chose silence. Instead, you chose truth. Instead, you chose power. Keep protecting your peace. Keep trusting your growth. Stay calm. Stay wise. Stay powerful. If this touched your heart, comment the word power below. Tell us which lesson stayed with you the longest. Subscribe to Royal Words, where quiet wisdom becomes lasting strength.